To gain access to the accompanying workbook, scan the QR code or click the link in the description down below.
Hi, I didn't see you there. Welcome back, Detective. I just like to pretend to be a dinosaur sometimes. Do you like to pretend to be a dinosaur sometimes? Good. We should be friends. That would be so fun to play dinosaur. Okay, anyways. Okay, we're going to focus. Today, we are going to go on a mission with our secret glasses to try to find the missing letter. Now, before we do that though, we've got to go on our mission. So we're going to look for Sound Monster. Ready? Get your eyeglasses ready. If you don't have one, get your binoculars ready and let's go on our detective mission to find Sound Monster. Sound Monster. Sound Monster. Sound Monster. Whoa! He was really big in my glasses. Hi, Sound Monster. Hi, Detective Shaylee. I have a big clue for you today. You do? Oh yeah, I mean big. Have you ever heard of a dinosaur? I have. We were just playing dinosaurs before. Dinosaur is upset because a dog ate all of his donuts. What? Yeah, and he said he won't give the letter back until we find the D sound in our story. Okay, let's do it. All right, let's look at our story. Every time you hear the D sound, I want you to pretend like you're a dog begging for donuts. Are you ready? Daisy the dinosaur dressed up her dog as a detective. The dog didn't like it and devoured all of Daisy's delicious donuts. What? Oh my goodness. Did you do this a lot for the D sound? Let's see. I found the pesky dog eating all the donuts. But he's not dressed like a detective anymore. Let's see. This is the letter D. What's its name? D. What's its name? D. Its sound is D. What's its sound? D. What's its sound? D. What are your lips doing? D. My lips just kind of stay pretty relaxed. D. What's your teeth doing? D. Mine are kind of just chilling. They're not really doing much. D. What's my tongue doing? My tongue is doing a lot. D. The tip of my tongue is touching the top of my mouth. D. What's my voice box doing? D. D. Ooh, it's vibrating. I wonder if this one can go on forever. D. D. Nope, this one stops. It'd be like if a dog was to go D. 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 All right, let's learn my action so we can sing it in our song. It goes like this. D, dog, D. Can you do it with me? D, dog, D. Let's try it by ourselves. D, dog, D. We have learned so many letters. Do you think you can remember all the letters we've learned? You do? Should we sing our alphabet song? Let's do it.
Are you guys ready to move your bodies and sing our alphabet song? Let's start singing. M, map, A, apple, a. T, table, t. S, snake, s. P, pig, N, nut, I, itch, I. C, cat, F, fence, D, dog, d.
Now, this is an uppercase D. What is this? Uppercase D. This is a lowercase d. What is this? lowercase d. This is an uppercase D. What is this? This is a lowercase d. What is this? Great. Can you say it in a silly voice for me? Ready, set, go. Uppercase D, lowercase d. Those were some silly voices. Do you think you can help me sort my letters? Uppercase D, D. 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 Lowercase 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 d, D. Do you guys remember my writing song? You do? Can you help me sing it? All right, let's go. When I write a letter, start at the top, at the top. When I write a letter, start at the top, at the top. When I write a letter, practice makes it better. When I write a letter, start at the top. All right, we're going to do the letter D. So we're going to do uppercase D and lowercase d. Now, D and B can get confusing, so I'm going to show you a trick. But first, we're going to practice our letter, then I'll share my trick. Are you ready? Get your magical wand ready. Uppercase D, you're going to start at the top. Start at the skyline, go down to the grass line, pick up my pencil, go back to the skyline, around to the grass line, and connect your line. All right, let's do it one more time. Start at the skyline, go down to the grass line, pick up my pencil, start at the skyline, around to the grass line, and connect. Way to go. Let's do lowercase d. Now, lowercase d is going to start with C. That rhymes. Lowercase d starts like a C. Lowercase d starts like a C, like a C. When I see a D, I know it's a D because it looks like a C, like a C. Let's do lowercase d. So, like I had said, lowercase d starts like a C. That means I'm going to start on the mountain line. Start on the mountain line, go around and down to the grass line, back up to the skyline, and back down to the grass line. Let's do it one more time for lowercase d. Lowercase d starts like a C. All right, let's do it on the mountain line. Ready, go. Around to the grass line, back up to the skyline, and down to the grass line. Let me tell you a secret. That was my trick. Letter D starts like a C. All right, awesome work. I am going to tell you a word, and I want you to tap the sounds on your Sound Monster board. Can you say dog? Tap the sounds. Did you say d-o-g? Say dot. Tap the sounds. Did you say d-o-t? Now I'm going to tell you some sounds and I want you to tell me the word. D-I-G. Did you say dig? D-a-z. Did you say does? We've learned all about the letter D. Can you do this page on your own? Look what we have here. It's another mastery glass. We just finished talking about the letter D. If you know all your letters from N to D, you can color in D on your map and make sure you talk to an adult about your mastery glass. To gain access to the accompanying workbook, scan the QR code or click the link in the description down below.